This video shows you how to add closed captioning to videos that you make on Studio in Canvas, as well as if you add YouTube videos to your Studio collection on Canvas. If you didn't know you could do that, you can. So let's say that you made your own video using Studio on Canvas. The closed captioning is very simple. You click on the video, come here to Captions, choose the language. Let's try that again. And click Request. After some time, the captions will be available. And when the captions are available, when you present the video to students, even if you put an embedded quiz into it, they will have a C button here for closed captioning, and it will show them the closed captions. Now, it's more complicated if you add a YouTube video. So I'm going to add a YouTube video as an example. So I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to come here to add. I'm going to come here to the YouTube video. I'm going to paste it in. It's available immediately because it's already uploaded on YouTube. But if you were to come into here and look at captions, there's no way to generate the captions. So here's what you have to do. Go back to YouTube and go back to the YouTube video. It does not have to be your video. I repeat, it does not have to be your video. The other tutorials I saw about how to do this are a mess, and they require that you go to your own YouTube studio and all that. That does not have to happen. So what you do instead is you come here to the three dots, click on Open Transcript. So there's the closed captioning for the YouTube video that didn't transfer to Canvas. Now, in order to transfer it to Canvas, you have to have it in .srt format. This is not .srt format. So here's what you want to do. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the transcript. Click on the last line. Then, scroll up to the top. And here's what I do to get it to copy everything, because it's a little tricky. I hit the Shift button, and then I regular click on the top line of the transcript. Actually, didn't quite get everything. So actually, what you want to do is when you click on when you shift and then you click on the top line, you want to put the cursor right here. So I'll just do that again just so that it's clear. I'm down here to the last line, click it, and then we'll just grab this little cursor here, go to the top. I'm going to put the mouse right here at the beginning, and before I click the mouse, I'm going to hit the Shift button, and then I'm going to regular click on the mouse. And so that's got everything. Now I'm going to right click if you're on a PC style mouse, or push down on the trackpad with 2 fingers if you're on a Mac. And I'm going to click on Copy. Then, if you're on a PC, you want to use an app like Notepad. If you're on a Mac, you can use TextEdit. Then you want to paste that text into your text editor. And we can call this whatever we want. I'm just going to go File, Save. I'm going to save it on my desktop. I'll save it in the Downloads folder. Why not? And I will call this Test Captions. And I'm going to click Save. And save it with the extension .txt. Then we will come back here to the web browser. I will have this website in the show notes. If this link no longer works, there's other similar websites. You want to look for a transcript conversion program. It'll be something like a YouTube subtitle converter or YouTube get closed captioning. There's a bunch of websites that do this. This is the one that I prefer. You click on the button here that says Upload. Grab your captions that you scraped out of YouTube from wherever you have them on your computer. Click Open. The format that you want is .srt. So click on that. Then click on Convert. And when it's done converting, it will automatically download the file onto your computer. If you're on a PC, it will probably put this into your Downloads folder. If you're on a Mac, actually it will also put this into your Downloads folder. So just know that it's wherever you by default things are saved, you're going to have to be able to find that location within your computer. All right, next, let's come back here to Canvas, to the Canvas Studio. We want captions, but we don't have a way to auto-generate them. But YouTube already had the captions. So we got those. We now have those captions available from YouTube converted into .srt format, and we can upload them here. So I'm clicking on English. And then yet I had to wait a second, but it's in my Downloads folder. I clicked on it. Oop, there it goes. Click on Open. And now we have the captions. And I can prove it to you here. And then for the students to turn on the captions when they're watching the video, they just click on CC. They click on English.
Well, let me take a minute. My name is Cliff Bowers.
And there you can see the captions. And there you can see the captions showing up on the screen. So those are the two ways. It's very easy. If you made the video in Canvas Studio, then the first way I showed you works great, and Canvas will generate those captions for you. But if you imported a video from YouTube, it doesn't import the closed captioning. You have to do these more complicated steps to get the closed captioning show up, but it also works great.